Cricket machine bowling ball is perfect to practice cricket batting. Its weight size is of international standard. Its bounce and speed makes you practice very well, and it's very durable. You can practice on the net or in the ground. Its size is suitable for any bowling machine of any brand. This ball is made up of synthetic material, so you can play it on the dry ground and even in the early morning hours when there is wet in the ground. You can buy one ball or in lots. You can buy it with our brands, that is Crane Coca, or we can even manufacture it with your brands. All depends upon what quantity you order. Overall, it's a very good ball to practice cricket for hours and hours and improve your batting skills. We have provided a link to buy this ball online in the description of the video. Also like and subscribe us for more videos like this.